guys, welcome back to Noob. Today we are going to be doing a Subway Surf video. Let's get into it. So, let's see. Okay, can I jump over that? Nope, I cannot. Okay. Try that. No, I have to use actual money. That's mean. Okay, maybe if we roll under the train, it'll let me go through. No, I did a little too early that time. Let's try it again with this one. Yeah, it's still not working. I wonder what's wrong. Let's try jumping over them. Yeah, that's gotta work. Whee! Oh man, I was so close. Let's try it again. And get some extra power by going like this. Yeah, I jumped over that one. Oof. Make sure, while I'm playing, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever we make another video. Jump that one. Jump this. Oh man. If we just run straight at it, it won't do anything. It'll let us. Ooh, what's this? Jetpack. See, if we just go straight, then we get all the coins, or most of the coins. Whee! And so that's it for today. If you want to give me any tips on this, I'm not very good, as you can see. So if you want to give me any tips, write down in the comment section below. And if there's any video games that you would want me to play, write down in the comment section below, and I will most likely play them.